again! It's been a while since I've done a resin project. Plus, I realized I haven't made any trinket trays since last year. And I haven't even touched my unicorn trinket tray mold since my epic fail with 3-to-1 resin. So, I'm going to make a kitty and a unicorn tray today. Plus, I got some super fancy schmancy mica powder from Solar Color Dust called Hyper Holo. I know it doesn't look very Hyper Holo right now, but I promise it looks amazing when the project's done. I started by rubbing the mica powder all over both molds. I did the inside edges first, because I knew I'd be touching the center a lot, and then I would just end up with the holo all over my hands. These molds are from Sophie and Toffee. If you'd like to get your own molds or any other materials from Sophie and Toffee, you can get 10% off by using my affiliate link. It's in the description below. These sponge applicators are from Solar Color Dust as well, and they're super sturdy. So I was able to push pretty hard to get good coverage, but not hard enough to damage the silicone. Look at how gorgeous this coverage is! In this case, my lighting is almost too good and doesn't show the holo quite as well, but don't worry, you'll see it later. Now it's time to use some resin. Make sure you wear a proper respirator mask and gloves to protect your lungs and skin. I'll put links to the proper protective equipment below. I used my favorite resin, Envirotex Light. It's 1-to-1 ratio and has never failed me. It's always super shiny, sturdy, and bubble-free. I needed 100 milliliters altogether to fill these molds. I mixed each part together for 3 minutes, then added some black alcohol ink. I like to use alcohol ink when I can to color my resin, since a little bit goes a long way. Plus, it cures just slightly transparent, which I like. Originally, I wasn't going to color the resin, but Solar Color Dust recommends using the holo over top a black surface. Once the molds were all filled, I set them aside and let them cure for 24 hours. I was so impatient to demold these. It was really hard to wait. Unfortunately, I don't have any ASMR for you guys today. We were watching hockey in the background. Go Islanders! But look at how gorgeous these came out! Isn't that holo amazing? I want to put it on everything. The little pots of holo are really small, but I'm really impressed with the coverage I got. I barely used half of a pot to coat 2 entire trays. If you'd like to get some Hyper Holo for yourself, I'll leave a link below to Solar Color Dust. The quality is absolutely amazing. I was going to put M&Ms in the unicorn tray before I remembered it's not food safe. So I'll just keep my jewelry in it instead. I know this was a short video, but I have some awesome videos coming out soon, including miniature book boxes from Craft Kitsune, and some digital art illustrations and a tutorial. Plus, I have an amazing custom Blythe doll that is all finished, but she needs a fantastic photo shoot before I can share her with you guys. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of the excitement. You can click the little bell to get notified of when I post. I upload videos every Monday at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Thanks for watching, everyone. Love you a latte.